Hi traders, and welcome to Trading Talk episode 106. My name's Matt and I'm one of the senior traders here at TradeView. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing traders exactly how to use and test using Kevin Davey's indicator. Absolute legendary trader. He attended and presented at last week's webinar, and he shared his 5 favorite entry techniques. And lucky attendees of the webinar actually got to take home his indicator absolutely for free. The indicator is still available for people who want to be able to access it, and then if you watch today's Trading Talk episode, you're going to know how to build it into a fully automated system, do your own testing and find out what works for you and also what doesn't through the testing. Also want to make mention to the Algo Trading Conference 2019. We had the privilege of Kevin joining us last year, and he did a superb job, and I'm absolutely loving his stuff, which he's been able to share with traders on a weekly basis as well. Want to be able to mention Dr. Ernie Chan. He's going to feature in this week's episode because I've got a question about him, and those who get back to me by the end of today, or I'm going to give the very latest of Monday, you can pop through our live chat or come onto the Algo Conference website or even give us a call. Anyone who can tell me what year did Dr. Ernie Chan found and launch QTS Capital Management, is the current fund which he is a managing member of. What year was that fund launched? Anyone who can get back to me with the answer is going to be eligible for a very nice discount on the Algo Trading Conference ticket for 2019. So certainly do your own research, and I look forward to hearing all your responses very, very shortly. The trading competition is still live, up and running. We've still got Horvat at the top of the leaderboard. He's absolutely killing the game, so fair play, and he's not got too much longer to wait until he can walk away with the sprint prize, but there's also some familiar names on the top 5 as well. So some guys, I can see it playing out for the marathon and in for the long run. Some people are looking for that elusive sprint championship prize. Of course, the marathon winner does actually get their hands on a free conference ticket. I know I'm talking about discounts here, but people who actually enter the competition get a chance of winning a free ticket and flights and accommodation. You can't get much better. And I'll wrap that up on today on that note. That's Trading Talk episode 106. I look forward to everyone being able to build and develop the model around Kevin Davey's indicator. Really cool stuff. I look forward to hearing from you all soon, and I'll speak to you in another episode.